A rheometer is a device for measuring the properties of polymers, and so it's very important whenever you're processing polymers to be able to know how they flow and how they make parts. So what we did was we put together what we call a filament rheometer, where we actually measure the properties of the polymer and how it flows directly from a filament. When you're 3D printing, you're typically buying filament. Here in our device, you actually take the filament directly. There's no need for pellets, there's no need for all the processing that goes into the typical operation, but you just work directly with filament and get the properties that you're looking for. And in our case, we measure the force that it takes to push the filament through the nozzle. And also we need to know the rate at which the filament is going through the nozzle. So with that information, we take that over to a laptop where we're able to take the measured data and a model of the process and be able to back out important properties. And in our case, it's the properties that compose the rheology or the rheology model for the polymer.